If you're like me and got an email from Honeybook saying that the price was going to greatly increase over the next year and you want to cancel your membership to Honeybook, then I'm going to walk you through the step-by-steps of how to do that. So here we are in Honeybook. So we're going to log into our account and then we're going to go up to our name in the top right-hand corner. And we are going to hit company settings. After we're here in company settings, we're going to go over to the membership tab. And as you can see here, I'm paying $96 a year, but on May 5th, 2025, it's going to go up to $278.40. So I'm not willing to pay that. I have switched over to Dubsado. So if you want to use Dubsado, I have a link in the description. They are a great alternative to Honeybook, very similar to Dubsado. And if you use my link in the description box, then you're going to be able to test it out with up to 3 clients for free. So definitely give it a try. It's a really great platform. They have projects, reporting, calendar, tasks, utilities, templates, canned emails, payment plans, all of that here with Dubsado. Okay, so we are in the membership tab right here. And then what we're going to do is we are just going to scroll down until we see cancellation. So you'll have access to your account, but won't be able to create any new files or projects. And that is fine. I'm going to cancel plan. And they're going to try and get you to see other plans, but I'm going to hit no thanks. I want to cancel. And then you can put why you're moving platforms. And I'm going to put subscription cost because the price increase is just too much for me right now. So I'm going to continue to cancel. And then they want to see if there's anything they can do. Nope. Continue to cancel. And then you have to write something here. Price increase is too high. Continue to cancel. So here's saying that you'll no longer be charged for the monthly or annual membership fee. And that is effective on May 3rd, 2025 for me. So I'll also no longer be eligible for your executive member discounts of 20% or anything like that. That is totally fine. Cancel plan. And it'll say, we'll miss you, blah, blah, blah. So that is how you cancel your membership to Honeybook. And like I said, definitely check out Dubsado. I'll have them linked down below in the description. They're a great alternative. And if you want to see a tutorial on Flowdesk, that's what I use for my email software. I absolutely love it. I've been using them for years. I previously used MailChimp, but I love Flowdesk so much more affordable. And you are only paying for your membership. You don't pay per subscriber. So your price isn't going to increase over the years, which is absolutely amazing. Check out that video here. And if you want to see my review of ThriveCard's bundle, check out this video here.